Hi, this is Leo, and we're going to take a look at category tabs in Gmail. Right now I'm in my inbox, and at the top you'll notice I have two category tabs showing. The first is called Primary, whereas the second one is called Forums. Primary is where I have the bulk of my emails coming into. Forums is where I have emails that are sent to district news filtered to. Some of you might have no tabs up top here. You just have your primary inbox, while others might have a few other tabs that I don't have showing. So we're going to look at how to adjust this. First thing you can do is come to the right here and you'll see this little plus symbol. When you click on that, this is going to give you the option to enable and disable tabs. So the first one is primary, that one's set by default. The other one I had checked was forums. But you also have the option to filter emails by social, promotions, and updates. So let's say updates was something that I want to add. This is going to be personal, auto-generated updates, including confirmation numbers, receipts, bills, statements, and so on. Click Save. And now once the page is refreshed, you're going to see that Updates tab here. And then all of those emails that were just in my primary inbox are under updates. So if you don't like this, you can come back to the plus symbol. You can uncheck these options here, save, and now once the page is refreshed, you'll see that there's no tabs up front, and that way everything that's sent to me is going to go to the primary inbox.